Leann Forst here. I'm a family health and cancer coach, and welcome to Protocol Phenomenon. I'm here to talk to you today about energy protocols. So this is a topic that I wanted to talk about because it's something that I suffered from for years, adrenal fatigue. And so I've really become good, I think, at really honing in on the essential oils and protocols that help me get through the day and give me more energy. So real easy. I think that you can use essential oils as tools for a lot of things in your life, and energy is one of them. So I'm going to tell you how to make a roller bottle, a diffuser blend, and then give you other things that can support you for having the best energy of your life. Okay. So first, if you have 10 milliliter roller bottles, you simply could get them in your back office, doTERRA, and get the 25% off. And what I do is I like to take wild orange and peppermint, okay, and just 15 drops of each in your 10 milliliter roller bottle, and then fill it the rest of the way with your fractionated coconut oil. If you haven't made a roller bottle yet, you know the fractionated coconut oil is just liquefied coconut oil so that you can pump it, and it makes it easier, right? So super simple roller bottle, and what I do is I roll it onto the back of my neck. When these oils can cross the blood-brain barrier, I also like to roll it above my collarbone because it smells amazing, and your lymphatic system is right there. So it's going to get right into your bloodstream, your lymphatic system, and then also roll it on your pulse points like the insides of your wrists. The other thing is I love to diffuse any combination of peppermint, wild orange, and rosemary. Okay, so I keep these on my desk actually to diffuse them daily. So I'll just diffuse maybe 2 to 3 drops of each, depending on how big the room is. If I want to diffuse in my big living space, maybe a few more drops. But what I love about essential oils is that they have multiple uses, so you really get your money's worth. So for example, rosemary is great for brain health, alertness, and memory. And as a side note, if you put it in your shampoo, it can also support healthy hair growth. Okay, just to name a few things. Wild orange is full of antioxidants. It has also been shown in studies to have anti-tumoral activity. It's also helps to support healthy stress levels. And then peppermint has so many uses. I mean, you got to stock up on peppermint because you can use it for everything from healthy digestion to headaches to seasonal allergies. So those are the three as far as diffusing and roller bottles. But here's another little trick I have is if you haven't tried basil yet, especially for adrenal fatigue, it's amazing. It is an adaptogen oil. So what I like to do is just put 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule that you can get in your doTERRA wholesale account, and then take that daily. So basil itself helps to regulate cortisol. It is an adaptogen, like I said, and it also helps to support healthy hormones. So just a few, right? There's much more to it, but we don't have time today to go into it. So those are my oils. Other things that I love to do and that I cannot live without for healthy energy levels is my daily vitality pack. My daily vitality pack. So first, Microplex VMZ, your vitamins and minerals. This is different from any other vitamins and minerals you can get on the grocery store shelf because it has the chelated minerals in it. Okay, it also has a nice array of B vitamins. Okay, so nutrient deficiency is something that I teach about, something that I help my clients with, something that I test for, and it really can affect a lot of areas in your life. There's 33 different diseases that are linked to nutrient deficiency and chronic conditions like lack of energy. So really having that whole food vitamin and mineral supplement will help to fill in those nutrient gaps. And B vitamins are one of the top 3 nutrient deficiencies. Most Americans are deficient in B vitamins, specifically B12. Okay, so that's important. The other thing is your omega supplement. Okay, this is not just fish oil. And a lot of people are aware of fish oil and how healthy it is for you, but this is actually a blend of omega-3, 6, and 9, which is what the body needs in the right ratios. So you have to make sure you get your omegas from a clean source, and these are definitely from a clean source, filtered and purified several times, okay? Because of the pollutants in our ocean, our fish are now toxic, unfortunately. So you don't want to just go and run and get any fish oil without doing your homework. But omegas are, guess what? Another major nutrient deficiency. Most Americans do not eat enough healthy fats, and therefore it's wrecking their health. And so you have to have healthy fats for healthy brain function, i.e. energy. Your brain is 60% fat, so you need fat to have it operate at the optimal level. And so if you don't eat enough healthy fats, always supplementing with omegas is important. It also helps to give healthy hormone support, healthy brain function, healthy joint support, all these things, okay? Then the last thing is I told you how important minerals are. They're uber important. The older you get, the more important that they are, because we can't get the minerals that we need from our food anymore, not the amounts that we need, because our soils are so depleted. Even if you eat carrots and kale all day long, you're not going to get the minerals that you need to support a healthy body and healthy energy levels. So even though a whole food multivitamin and mineral has some in there, you can't fit enough minerals in a complex supplement like this one. So you really do have to add on, especially if you're over 40. And women even need more minerals than men. So the bone nutrient complex is not just for bones, it's for energy too. Energy actually starts at night when you take your minerals to have a healthy day the next day full of energy, right? So minerals are one of the top nutrient deficiencies. So minerals, meaning magnesium being one of them, and potassium being another, and zinc. And then you've got B vitamins and omegas, top 3 nutrient deficiencies, which will wreck your energy. So the daily vitality pack and then the bone nutrient complex are really my go-tos and ones that I can't live without. So anyway, those super simple, lots of tools to help you. And after you watch this video, if you comment below, tell us about what you use for energy, and let us know that you watched the video, and you'll be entered to win a free Motivate roller bottles, another one that I keep by my desk and use every day. So that's it, y'all. Have a great day.